Hello everyone, and check out this powerful PrecisionPro vacuum sealer for your kitchen today. This machine uses a high-performance double pump system to deliver 95 kilopascals of incredible suction power. The patented easy lock handle allows you to secure the lid using only one hand. You can choose from 10 different modes to perfectly preserve dry or moist food items. A double heat seal design keeps your food fresh up to 8 times longer than normal. Enjoy the convenience of built-in bag storage, along with an integrated cutter for custom sizes. The sleek stainless steel surface and countdown display make this the ultimate tool for your meal prep. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.